Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute audio on your video using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Inshot application on my mobile phone. And wait, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select the video and then select new. And for example, I'm just going to add this video. I'm going to mute audio on this video. So I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and I'm going to play the video guys. Okay, this is how the audio sounds in my video, and I'm going to mute this audio. If you want to mute the audio, we can go to the volume menu. Go to the volume menu, and here you can play around with the volume. If you want to mute your audio, you just need to make it 0 like this. You can also increase the volume on your audio by going to the right like this. And since we want to mute our audio, we can just go to the left. Okay, then here you will be able to denoise your audio if you want. Basically, you can edit your volume right here. Okay, and now the audio has been muted guys, and I'm going to play it. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can mute audio. Wait, I'm going to add music. I'm just going to select music from my device. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this state, okay, I'm just going to add this audio, and if you want to mute or reduce the volume of the music or the audio, we just need to do the same. Just go to the volume, and here you will be able to customize the volume of your audio. And for the sound or the audio, you will be able to add fade in and fade out effect as well. If you want to mute it, you just need to make it 0% and the audio will be muted. Okay, and now the audio has been muted guys. Just remember that you just need to go to the volume and then make it 0. Okay, and once you're ready to export your video, you just need to click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to mute audio on video or audio only on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.